All right, so what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to do the whole dance nice and slow. Then we'll break it down a little bit, hopefully every 8 counts, and then maybe with counts, and then with music. So here we go. So right foot. So touch and open and step and cross. Samba, 1, 2, hold, lock, 2. Mambo forward, walk back and back and back. Coaster back. Mambo push back, and we start with the diamond. Diamond and up, back, turn, turn. Diamond knee up, turn, turn. Mambo's left and right. Jazz box to the left, turn, turn, twist. Twist, twist, rocking chair. Half turn, pivot hold, quarter turn, and 9. So touch and kick. Turn left, forward, rock, slide back, coaster, 1, 2, 3. And we start all over again. No, that was not that easy, right? Let's try it again, nice and slow. Okay, first 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So what we did there, touch forward, rock, touch back, body weight in the back. Now we're going to step on left, turn with the right, and left stays at the front. Now we're going to do a cross samba. Bum, bum, bum. We hold there. We're on an angle here. 7 o'clock. All right. Lock with the left. 2 lefts. Touch mambo, forward rock with the right. And then you're going to kick back for 1, back for 2, back for 3, and the sailor or coaster into 9 o'clock. So 1, 2, 3. Mambo to the right, recover with a pushback into 11 o'clock. Let's try it up to there. Yes? Okay. So touch, open, hold, and 1 and 2 and hold. Samba, bum, bum, bum. 2 lefts. Rock forward, right, recover, back and back and back. Sailor to the 9. In here, mambo right, push back. Yay, that's your count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. That was 2 counts of 8 each. Now we're going to continue with the diamond. For those of you that are new to the diamond, it's kind of like a weave. So you're going to cross left, left, right, back. So that your left goes left forward, step, and back. Knee comes up as a hitch, and the same thing goes back and forward. Yeah? So that was left, forward, left, back, up, right, back, and then forward. We're at 9 o'clock. We're going to weave again. Forward with the left and back, hitch, and the next wall, keep turn left, back to 3 o'clock. So you're going from 11 into 9, keep on turning until you are all the way to 3 o'clock. So again, is that little weave here again. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Yes? All right, continue from here. Mambo left, mambo right. And a slow jazz box, left foot crosses into the left. Bum, 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 bum. Let's do it from the weave. Okay, here it goes. And cross and knee, back and forward. Again, cross and up, back and mambos. Left together, hold. Right together, hold. Just box 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to continue from here. Here comes your twist. Twist, twist, twist. So swam, bum in the middle. 3 of those. Rocking chair right. You're going to pivot with the right into the left shoulder halfway. So spin and hold forward. Now the left is going to go quarter turn, pivot, and hold. You're going to do a vine. So you're going to go open, back, open, scuff. You're going to step behind, turn to the left, and you're going to do a mambo forward, slide back with the right, and together. Let's do one after the other, guys. We can do this. Okay, here we go. Open and hold. Step, step, cross and hold. Samba, 1, 2, forward lock. Mambo right, rock back, walk, walk, again walk. Sailor 2, 9 o'clock. Mambo right, push back. Diamond, 1, 2, 3, and up, and turn, turn, turn. Cross, 1, 2, 3, and up, turn, turn. Mambo left, mambo right. Jazz box to the left, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist, twist, rocking chair. Rock, half turn, hold. Quarter turn, hold. There's the grapevine. Back, behind, and kick. And left U-turn and forward touch and back. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if we can do it this way. You're not facing me now. I'm going to call the steps. So ready? Here we go. Right foot goes forward, back, and hold. Half turn, 1 and 2, left forward. Samba. 1, 2, 3. Lock. Mambo right. Walk back for 3. 1, 2. Coaster and hold. Mambo. Push back. Boom. Diamond. 1, 2, up. Turn, turn, turn. 1, 2, up. Turn, turn. Mambo. Touch together, hold. Touch together, hold. And the jazz box to the left. Twist. Right pair. Half turn pivot, hold. Quarter to the right. Grapevine. With a kick with the left. Vine turn to the left. Forward mambo. Push back. And a 1, 2, 3. All right. Put some music. Have some fun.